My name is Raul Mejia. I'm a big motorcycle fan. Sorry. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel. My name is Raul Mejia. I'm a big fan of bicycles and motorcycles. I love everything about bicycles and bikes as well. Now, I already own a few Ducatis. I do own a few Yamahas. I recently got into the cafe racer scene. I'm crazy about these bikes. I think they're so cool because you can do all your own designs. Everything is modified. So now, right now, we have this Virago 82 right here in front of us. It looks pretty rough. It has been sitting on the outside for I don't know how long. Now, it works. That's the one thing that we know right now, so that's a win. What we're gonna be doing with this bike, we're gonna basically restore. It's basically a restoration of the bike and modify it as we see fit. We're not really sure what we're gonna do with it yet. You know, maybe a new tank, definitely a new seat. You know, a new front end. We're gonna take all the engine apart, just rebuild everything so it's good. You know, no one is gonna have any issues with this bike after we're done with it. Right next to it, we have a BMW R80. I think this is an 84, 85. This was going to be built by my friend Felipe. He's the mechanic of the shop. I'm kind of like the bike enthusiast that come in here just trying to make things happen. He's the one with the cool ideas and all the tools. We're gonna introduce him to the channel in a few minutes, but basically this is gonna be his project. I'm gonna be working on the Virago. Come here. Get behind, get in front of this camera.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Felipe, and I'm actually the head mechanic, master mechanic of the bikes. No, I'm just kidding. I always like to give a hard time to my friend Raul. I'm gonna be doing this BMW, and he's gonna be doing the Virago, and I think we're gonna start, creating this little competition in between us. So I plan on this one doing the seat, tank, exhaust, rims, front suspension, rear suspension, pretty much everything. I don't know what he's gonna do exactly on that one. We will see.
I'm thinking about doing the same thing you are doing. I'm just gonna copy paste a little bit.
You
Not really.
just copy me?
No, hell no. My ideas are gonna be better. I can tell you that.
We'll see.
Hey, so tell us a little bit more about the engine. How we're gonna make sure these engines are working perfectly after this?
So these engines, they are pretty much bulletproof in the meaning of that through 40, 50, 60 years, they are the same engines. So we just rebuild them from the inside out and have it all painted and looking perfect, just like it came out of the factory.
So we're gonna take everything apart and just lube it, change all the O-rings, and make sure that it's not locked up, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, get them back on the road and get to the next project. Okay, Raul, so tell us about your bike, the current situation. It doesn't look good, man.
I'm just sitting here taking a look at the mess that we are dealing with. Now, obviously, the seat is messed up. This is going to be gone, so I'm not even going to worry about this. My main issue right now is the engine. So just by looking at it, obviously, you can tell that it's just been sitting outside for a long time. Now, I saw there was an oil leak here somewhere. So that means I have to take the whole engine apart, reseal it. I don't know sure what needs to be done there, but I'm gonna find out what's wrong with it and fix it.
You think
carburetors?
You think you can get this bike running in like
a
few months?
Yeah, I can get it running for sure. I don't think it's gonna take me too long to take it apart. Maybe half a day. After that, I'm gonna start working on the engine. You know, that's gonna be the most difficult part because I am not an expert on engines. I'm gonna rely on your expertise for that.
Oh, wow.
Now, we do have this carburetor that has seen better days. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Maybe just put a new carburetor and forget about that. Also, I see a little bit of rust here. So frame itself, we're gonna have to sand that down.
Powder coat
it.
Yeah.
Maybe a cool color.
Yeah.
Maybe I go with black. Not really sure yet. Front end. Yeah, I don't like that at all.
Put a new front end, some modern front end,
or whatever suspension. It's gonna look good. The 8 bars. I'm not really sure if I want to stick with that. You know, maybe something different.
Yeah, I would
His,
keep them. They look nice.
ideas, so many ideas. I just don't know what to do with them yet. But
Yeah.
first thing is first. I gotta take this bike apart and go into that engine. Make sure the engine is good before I start building around it.
Sure, sure. Nice.
Okay, guys, we're back. Now we're gonna be talking to Felipe about his R80 project. Tell us about your project, Felipe. What are we gonna do?
My project is, it was picked up in Minneapolis, so right near Canada. So it's seen a lot of ice and salt on the roads. So it's been sitting in the barn for a long time. So you can see there's a lot of rust.
Let's take a look at this real close.
Yes, a lot of rust everywhere. Tires are really bad. I'm gonna change these wheels, change seats, change rear subframe. These bins I would like to
What
have.
is going on here?
Oh.
Why is this open?
Yeah, it's I think the
What is supposed to be there? Is that like the airbox?
Yeah, the airbox. The filter's gone.
Filter's gone? Oh my god.
Yeah, these bikes, they're a little bit rare, hard to find parts. Yeah, these bings, I like them. I'll keep them.
So what is that? What is a Bing?
Bing, bada bing, bing, is just the carburetors.
Oh, okay.
They're just stock carburetors. They're nice. Yeah, the front end, as you see, is the original. Everything's original. And I would like to change the front end, just like you're gonna do to your bike. I have to do it to mine. Yes, anything you do, I do to this one. And probably vice
What? Are
versa.
you gonna be everything that I do? You're gonna do to this one? What?
Yeah.
No way, dude.
Why not?
Have your own ideas. I got mine.
I had the idea, so it's my idea. And
Okay.
that's it. Let's get them to the shop and start working on them. And you guys will see the progress on each bike. And we'll send videos every week or so, as fast as we can.
Yeah, I would say every 2 weeks. I don't know if we can do everything every week,
Yeah,
but
we'll be
we'll
working on
try.
it. We'll be working on it full time.